Friend, welcome back to my channel. Windows 11, I have got a problem. I can't see your download folder, right? And I can't see your documents download and your photos and desktop folder in quick access. How can we add that folder? Today I'm going to share the trick to add that download and documents desktop folder in quick access. Okay, what I have to do is just click on this PC. After click on here to three dot option, Gmail, and I have to go to the option, and here you can find out here general and click the view tab. Then after scroll down, you can find out here show libraries. Just click, and after click apply and OK. And you can find out here libraries, and you can find out here documents, music, pictures on the right. Now what I have to do is click on this documents and find our downloads. Okay, or you cannot find our downloads, then after what I have to do is click on documents and click here three dot and go to properties. First choose the restore defaults and add. Click here to user, and you can find out here document desktop downloads all types of folder, right? Just click one include folder, and you can click this user desktop, click again, click this user pictures, right, and so you can bring right and OK, and you can find out on the document tab it's download, right? What I have to do is just right click and pin to quick access. Here you can find out download missing desktop, right? Spring desktop folder. Here's and right click. Always add. Click here and desktop and include. And now here desktop, just right click and into access. Okay, there is download desktop, and so between this documents also there. Quick and ping this pictures folder also. There's also once again a download desktop document search folder because this is hidden here like this. Friend, if this video really helped you to solve the problem, then let me know in the comment box. Friend, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Please support my channel and let me grow. Thanks.